How to delete whiteboards in Microsoft Whiteboard. In this video, I'll show you how to delete whiteboards in Microsoft Whiteboard. So to get started, go ahead and open Microsoft Whiteboard. So go ahead and sign into your Microsoft account first and then search for Microsoft Whiteboard. So you can access the web version on your browser. You can also access the app version on your device. And then once you're on the whiteboard, go ahead and select an item that you want to delete. Click on the three dots at the bottom right of that and then select delete from here. So once you click on this delete button, a pop-up notification of confirmation will pop on your screen. So Microsoft Whiteboard would confirm if you really want to delete this whiteboard from your whiteboard list. So once you have confirmed this, there is no turning back. You cannot recover it since once this is deleted, this is removed from your whiteboard forever. And that is how you can delete whiteboards in Microsoft Whiteboard. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.